Hello guys and welcome to another video of Windows 10 tips and tricks by Screwsoft channel. In today's video, we will show you how to use Microsoft Office for free. This includes your Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and believe us, this is not gonna cost you anything. Let's hop into the work. First of all, open your browser and in the address bar type www.office.com. On the office.com, you will see two different options. One is Get Office, another is Sign In. If you click the Get Office, it will lead you to purchasing the premium version. But since we want the free version, so what we are gonna do is click Sign In. Now you will get the sign in prompt. Here you need to sign in with your Microsoft account. Type in your email ID or phone number. Let's put our email ID here. screwsoft@hotmail.com. Now you should know here that if you don't have a Microsoft account, you don't need to worry, it's really easy to create one, and creating an account is entirely free. I'm gonna go ahead and click Next. Put in your password and check the box of Keep Me Signed In. So this is gonna land you on Office website. You will see a lot of different options here. You will see icons of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, etc. here. So let's see what happens when you click Start New. Here you can create a new document, or a workbook, or a presentation. Let's create a document first. So what are you gonna see is it's gonna drop me in a brand new document. Here it is, the new Word interface. Let's try typing something in here and see how it goes. Our first document in Office. You will find most of the traditional Microsoft Word features available here. You can change font, their sizes, convert them into headings like this. You can even dictate through your mic here. The insert bar is the same. All the settings are available. The layout bar is also like the old one. You will soon get familiarized to the latest Outlook. You can reduce the size of this ribbon bar, minimize it to get more of your document view, or maximize it back. Now let me tell you how will you rename your document and save it. So maybe I will call it something else. Let's say, Screwsoft. One of the cool features here is the comments option. Basically you can share your live work with other people and everyone can comment on the document. Author or the reviewer can then reply to the comment and edit the document accordingly. Cool, right? Now let's say you want to switch from Word to Excel or any other Microsoft app. Go to App Launcher in the top left corner. All apps can be opened directly from here. We can click into Excel. Excel looks very similar to the start experience for Word. We are opening a new blank workbook. At any moment, if you wish to buy the premium version, you can move on top right corner and click Go Premium. It will lead you to online subscription page, where you can choose the price plan and get full Office suite. Now let's discuss second method to approach free Office. And that is through an Office app called Microsoft Office. With the new Windows 10, it is pre-installed on your system. To get that, you need to open Start menu and search Office. Open this one. Click Sign in here. If it is your first time, click Microsoft Account and then Continue. This will lead you to Microsoft Account sign-in page. Sign in through your Microsoft email ID and then put password. Click OK. This is to add security to your Microsoft Windows. It uses Hello Face Identity or fingerprints, or a PIN password for security. You can set up it here. But for now we are skipping it. Your account is here. Sign in with it. Add your details here, like your first name and your last name. We are writing Screw as first and Soft as last name. Then click Next. Okay, here is our Office app now. This is just the introduction windows. Click the tick button. One cool feature of this app is that you will also find the documents stored in your machine under the Recent tab. This was not available in the browser version. So we would prefer using Windows 10 app version for your daily documentation. All the other features are same, just like we discussed in this video previously. So guys and girls, this was how you can get Microsoft Office for Windows 10 for free. If you have any more questions, please do write to us or either comment in this video down in the comment section. And like the video, share the video and subscribe channel at youtube.com/user/screwsoft channel. Thanks.